Look what I just got from the thrift store today. Will Latrill here. A 20-inch Hunter 3-speed box fan. 7 blades. How cool is that? For $10. I don't remember seeing these in brown. I've never actually had a Hunter like this before. So this is the first one I've ever had with 7 blades. Look at that motor. That looks so cool. Got some missing slats. 2 here, 1 there, 1 there, 1 there. Overall, this fan's in pretty good shape. My guess is 1970's. Show you sides. Here's the bottom. Okay, here's high. Nice startup sound. Needs oil. Just an as-found condition. So I figured I'd make this video before I do anything to it, like oil it. Off. Yeah, see, the spin down time's a little fast. From behind, sound of the motor. And that's it. My latest thrift score. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget, hit like, hit subscribe. Don't forget to always love.